What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another weekly analysis. Today is Sunday, September 3rd, 2023. We're going to be going over the USCAD to see what happened last week and what's going to happen or what's bound to happen next week. So, if we're looking at it, last week we had a sweep of previous week's low right here, and then price pushed all the way back up high. It swept these relatively equal lows right here and then continued pushing higher. Now it looks like it's drawing to these highs right here. So if we were to mark them out, we have sell side right here. Price pushed up, created the sell side, and swept through the sell side and continued going higher. Now if we were to go to the 4-hour time frame, we see right here in a more clear visual that price was going higher. Then it failed to break these highs right here, and then with this move it swept all this liquidity right here, including this sell side right here. Now we still do have, equal lows right here, lows right here, lows right here, oops, let me mark lows right here, and going forward we have all these lows coming down to this low right here, which we see on the daily time frame is marked as this right here, which is the bullish order block right here. So looking at it from what we see right here, if we were to mark this entire range with our fib, we see that this line right here marks the PD array. Price went down into the discount zone, swept through all this liquidity, and then pushed straight back up, creating a shift in market structure right here. So what I would like to see for next week is price to pull back into this area, potentially filling this gap, tapping into this order block, and then continuing running higher and tapping into sweeping the buy side liquidity right here. Now, before I look for any buys, if my bias is correct, then I would like to see it pull back into the discount zone, tap into the order block, or this block right here, potentially the midpoint of this discount wick, for it to continue running higher. So one of two things could happen. It could either sweep this liquidity up here, or it could sweep this liquidity down here and continue going lower. But my bias is more aiming towards the upside right here, because of the reason that sell side has been swept. These relatively equal lows right here have been swept right here, and then right after the sweep we see a huge displacement up higher with a shift in market structure. So what I would like to see in this case, this is what we could see. We have a sweep and then a shift in market structure. I would like to see price pull back into this zone and then continue going higher. Either it would tap into a breaker block in this area, or it can go a little bit lower and tap into this FVG right here in order for it to continue going higher. Now the reason why I'm looking for buys in this situation, targeting buy side up here, is because of this sweep of liquidity, shift in market structure, huge displacement. Now all I need to see price do next week is pull back into the zone and then continue going higher. But if it were to break through these lows right here, if this fair value gap is not respected and price decides to run through it, then I would like to see price pull back into this FVG, continue going lower, targeting the remaining sell side right here, and ultimately aiming towards this daily bullish order block. So moving down to the 1-hour time frame, this is still the 4-hour Cibi or BISI candle right here. We see the same thing. Price is currently above this midpoint line of this entire range, meaning we are in a premium zone. So I'm not looking for any buys in this area. I'm waiting for price to go below PD array, tap into the discount zone, ultimately tap into this FVG, and potentially continue running higher. So that's pretty much it for the week. It's a short video, but Monday, tomorrow is going to be Labor Day in the US, so we do have banks closed, and I'm not going to be trading anything tomorrow, so I will use Monday to get more information. But also, if I were to measure this entire range right here, we see that the OTE of this range also lies within this 4-hour FPG, which is a good sign. It's also another confluence. So we have sweep of equal lows down here. We have a shift in market structure. Now all I want to see in order to target these highs right here is for price to pull back into the zone and then continue going higher. Alright, this is all I have for this week. Come back next week to see what we got going on. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I will talk to you guys later.